5 compelling reasons to book end-of-tenancy cleaning services. Not sure why you should book end-of-tenancy cleaning? If you are planning to move out of your home or office, you want to consider hiring professional cleaners to help make your move seamless. Watch on to see why. Moving involves a whole lot of processes, from packing the boxes to making plans with the moving company, getting the new place prepared, getting kids settled, and a host of other activities. Just thinking about it is draining already. The last thing you want is to add cleaning stress to this long list of activities. Why not allow professional cleaners to worry about cleaning while you focus on other important things? Relieve stress. This is our top reason for good reasons. When you think about the mental and physical stress of relocating, you want to do everything possible to reduce this stress. This is the primary reason to call professionals cleaners for help. They know how difficult relocation is, therefore, they provide all the help necessary to ease the burden. They offer flexible schedules and pay attention to areas you wouldn't think of. Protects your security deposit. Another reason to book end-of-tenancy cleaning is to protect your security deposit. At the end of your stay, the property owner or caretaker will conduct a thorough inspection to ensure the apartment is clean and everything is just as they were when you moved in. Well, of course, we all know the property cannot be spotless with all the boxing you have going on. This is where the cleaners come in. They work in your interest. Therefore, they make sure to keep the apartment as clean as new before the inspection. This will go a long way to protect your deposit. Improves rental history. Your new landlord may want to speak to the previous landlord as part of the background check, just to make sure they're giving out the property to the right person. What do you think would be your previous landlord's response if you left his or her property dirty? Not a good one. If nothing else, this should make you consider cleaning. It is a good feeling. You've been in this home or office for a while. No doubt you have created memories that are hard to leave behind. The least you can do is keep the place clean, so you can be at peace with yourself and know you left the property in good shape. Sounds basic, but this little gesture can brighten your mood and make you feel better about moving. Prevents incurring damages. Chances are you are not going to be careful enough if you decide to do the cleaning yourself. And the reason is not far-fetched. You have a lot on your plate already. This means you are prone to damaging things in the apartment if you do everything alone. Although unintentional, this will increase your moving expenses. Fortunately, it is completely avoidable. Everything is safely under the care of professional cleaners immediately you book end-of-tenancy cleaning services. Bonus tip. Increases curb appeal. Yes, it's still very important to get cleaning services after moving even if it is your property. It is more important to get cleaning services if it is your property, because the resale value depends on the state of the property. A poorly kept apartment will chase many potential buyers or renters, and even those who manage to accept it will drastically reduce the price. It is important to book end-of-tenancy cleaning services, whether it is part of your agreement with the landlord or not. This will reduce the stress on you and protect your security deposit too. For professional assistance, don't hesitate to contact FastKlean. We are here to help. Want more tips? Check out our previous video on 5 DIY tips for sparkling bathrooms. Also, let us know your views and comments in the comment section below. Why don't you consider the help of trained cleaning professionals, the ones that work at FastKlean? Our company can help you deal with all aspects of cleaning. Simply call 0208 8849 149 or visit fastklean.co.uk. Sign up for our masterclasses and learn how to create a toxin-free environment at home or any business premises. Watch our other videos and learn more eco-friendly cleaning tips. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Thank you for watching. Until next time.